Hey, welcome back, guys, to another episode of Build Break and Fix, brought to you by the Rule Coder. And it's only me today as well. And hopefully, the others can come soon as they finish up their commitment. Right, so first thing is first, let's play the acknowledgement of the country and pay our respects to the elders of the past, present, and future. So, here we go. I begin today by acknowledging the traditional custodians of the land on which we gather today, and pay my respects to their elders past, present, and future. I extend that respect to Aboriginal and Torres Strait Islander people here today. Alright, that was smoothly done, which was great. Cool. So today, let's get the music popping and then we can get started. Alright, guys. Oh my goodness sake, after a whole day, I've had a water to drink and it just splints through my veins like ice on, as in water on a dry thing. But anyway, yeah, so in this video, today, just to get you a bit of a concept, that we're gonna be so the context is that we did our we w- we w- we worked on a bug on the last stream in which we weren't able to update the position of the cards after they are being dragged on from the WebSockets, as in through WebSockets. So today we're gonna continue it and see if we can get that fixed. All right. Hey, Mac Holes, good to have you after ages. How you doing? All right, cool. So I'm gonna share my screen real quick, and then we can get in the fun part, which is if you said coding, you're damn right. Oh yes, I know you were back for 2 weeks. It's just my way of saying, as in being ages, as in kind of haven't probably 2 weeks is a while for me, I guess. Oh, nice one. Is that for a holiday or for work purposes? Fantastic. All right. So let's share my screen. I'm gonna get rid of all of these apps that are running in the background because I don't need them. All right. Oh, for work. Oh, cool. Um, is there some kind of a conference going, or is it just purely for the clients? All right. So I'll share my screen, and we will get the ball popping. Share this one. Open folder, and then workspace, and Scrumble enhancements, and there we go. Right, cool. Yeah, I think I'm going to Queensland as well, probably in at the end of July. So really looking forward to it. Oops, my max battery needs charging, so I'll probably have to um change the places. So just bear with me. I will be with you very shortly. There we go. That's my place here, and we will get this going over here. And actually, I'm gonna turn this light off and turn on my other light. Just bear with me for a sec. There we go. All right, we are back. So, let me check if anything in the comments. Internal part. Oh, okay. Cool. Internal meetings. Interesting. Most fun at the conference. Yeah, again, conferences are pretty much fun, eh? You meet new people, interesting talks, and while having fun, you learn pretty cool stuff as well. All right. So yeah. So basically, the bug that we were working on, I'll just replicate it again so you guys can know exactly what that is. 19, and then I'll do the code. Okay, cool. So if I actually don't have to do inspect element because I don't need that at this stage. Then I'll open up in incognito. Then open it up in there. So if you see that we have this board opened and the bug is, I'm pretty sure you will be able to tell yourself. See if I can type in anything and move the move the card there. The position of this card, it doesn't change. So if it was working as expected, then we would expect this card to come here as well. All right, so this is what we are working on. So let's go in the console and see. So what my idea was that I don't have the position object in the received message, which is over here. Any comments? No, not yet. So if we see data, so my say observation or idea was that because this position wasn't there, which is why the card isn't coming up. But apparently that's not really the case because the position is there, but it's still not coming up. So there has to be something else that's causing the problem. C465, 58. Actually, that's the wrong one, isn't it? Yeah, so if I do this one, technically, I should get this position of the yellow card, which is 150, and left 42. Let's see what do we get over here. Data 150, 42. See, I thought that was the solution. That as soon as I add the position property to this data object, it will come. But that it doesn't want to come. Right, so that is our problem basically. So what can go wrong over here? Position. So on click, probably I need to add the WebSocket thing on the move card. I think so. Let's go ahead and check the move card thing. How is that done? So move card animate. Actually, if I add the WebSocket dispatch function to this part, then it might work, isn't it? Add just card. Let's try that. Note that in this case, data old position is inaccurate since many cards have happened since the last sync, but that's okay because old position is in use right now. Right, okay. Any messages? Not really until now. So if we go to this one, I think we can basically add the dispatch WebSocket message. So if this is move data, send action, which is any. What is action data position? Move. Okay, cool. Right. So that would be that. Position drag. After the drag stop. Draggable. Move. Potentially action message data ID, right? And then that message takes delete data action is action delete card, right? So if we do that, move card action, that would be default, and then message, and then we can move this one to const message. That would be action, which is move card, and data. It's taking data, isn't it? Yeah, data would be data. Yeah, let's try this and see if this works. Oh, okay, never mind. Interesting. I like this. As in, these tricks, it's just funny. Okay, let's open up another one. Um, Another one we would open up with this. So, right, test 19, actually test 20. Okay, and I would open this one up in the new incognito one. Okay, that didn't happen. Object, no object. So this one we have got minus that one, and then this one we have got to receive data, edit data. Right, so it's not really doing on. So the position is going through, but it's not the position received message. Yeah, the position is actually going through, but it's not acting on it. So there has to be something else that's missing. So that doesn't work. So when I drag and drop, what does that do? Position. Adjust mouse card with a resizable board. Do sync it false if you don't want to synchronize with all the other users who are in the room. Right. So I would probably do this as okay. Never mind. Open up another one. Mm, Come on, where is it? Where is it? Okay, so so the position is received. Then, right. Okay, get this one. Add a new one. Okay, never mind. -5, -10. And 29. Okay, what does that give me? Okay, they're still there. All right. Due to that, because I can't really work with that kind of flashing board, because it's just not gonna help me. It just keeps distracting. So what I might do is just basically work offline, and that's it really. Because I really want to be productive, but in this case, I won't be able to. All right, so let's do that one, as I can't really focus with those kind of fun going around, which is good, but we still have to find a way to fix it. So until that one, I'll probably work offline for another half an hour, and yeah, get this bug sorted as soon as possible, because we want to do a release ASAP. All right, guys, so I'll probably catch you tomorrow. Until then, have a good night. And until then, wherever you are in the world, have a good night, morning, and evening. And I'll see you guys tomorrow at the same time, same place, and hopefully in a different task. All right. Cheers. Bye bye.